Hello, welcome to the world of literature. At World of Literature today, we would be dealing with literary theory. And in this lecture, we would take up Orientalism by EdwardSaid. Orientalism is one of the most famous books written in the 20th century. This is a book which gave a push or which led to the development of the post-colonial theory. EdwardSaid is a Palestinian Arab who was born in Palestine. He had his education in Egypt, in Palestine, and he grew up he lived most of his life in America. So he was very much well versed with both the worlds, that is East and West. Now, putting his experience together, he wrote a book entitled it Orientalism in 1978. Orientalism brought in front of us a different world view in the post-colonial era. In this book, we get the ideas how West developed an image of the East during colonization and post-colonization. And the image about which EdwardSaid talks in this book is something which helped West to maintain its monopoly or to get control of the eastern states as it did during the colonial times and continued its supremacy in the post-colonial times. One thing that needs to be kept in mind here is that Orientalism is not something that is synonymous with post-colonial theory or post-colonialism. Post-colonial theory is a very vast theory in which we have numerous critics and theorists who came after EdwardSaid and gave various concepts and developed this theory beyond what EdwardSaid had to say or give us in the beginning through his book Orientalism.